This video presentation is brought you by Liberty Mutual Insurance. Only pay for what you need.
And Doug.
You know, Limu, after all these years, it's the ones that got away that haunt me the most. Because you're not like everybody else. That's why Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance. So you only pay for what you need.
What?
Oh, I said.
Oh, this is my floor.
Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
Okay class, today we're doing lunch. Pick up the lunch bag, and then we'll eat it. Now eat the lunch.
Well, I ate my lunch.
Hiccup. Kimberly, are you Hiccup?
Yes?
That's it, Kimberly Dawson. Go to the principal's office right now.
Well, I ate the burger.
Me too. I ate the taco and burrito. Brian Stevens Sharp.
Good job, Kayla Dawson and Brian A. Stevens Sharp. Go to the principal's office. All right, class. Class is now dismissed. Pack your bags and then we can go home.
So that is the lunch at 12:30 p.m. We just know that he is. So then bring it up, and then let's go. Hey Kimberly Dawson, why are you sad?
Well, I should known you asked then for.
Hiccup.
I ate my chicken bucket and fruit punch.
Kimberly Dawson, you know that you're not allowed to use hiccups at schools. That's it. Go home now.
Ugh, come on. Why did you have a hiccups at school? Why can't I go home? I can go left.
That's Kimberly Dawson. Go to the principal's office right now.
Kimberly Dawson, you know that you're not allowed to use the schools. That's it. Go home now.
I can't do the hiccups any. Hiccup more.
Hey Kimberly. Why are you sad?
Because I was a hiccups in schools and, hiccup, Ms. Martin tells no hiccups in class.
Oh. Hiccups in class? That's a shame, Kimberly.
Mom, I had a vision with a water bottle. You know what it is?
I don't understand what you drinking a water bottle.
But you know how to, hiccup, water bottle? Kayla Dawson and Brian Estevez Sharp is, hiccup, coming to get water bottle.
Very well.
A few moments later.
Ah. What a wonderful world in the morning.
Hey Kimberly
Dawson.
Come downstairs.
Oh, snap.
Hey Kimberly, try this water bottle. You know that his hiccups is gone.
For me?
Yes, Kimberly. Video.
Here.
Thanks. Hey. My hiccups are gone. Now I could do it myself.
Now the hiccups are gone.
You can do it whatever you want.
Thanks Kayla and Brian.
Well. You know what, have a water bottle here. You know that I will hand it over the water bottle right now.
I agree, Doris. Hand it over right now, or I will revenge you.
No. The Anderson family. I won't give you to my water bottle, and the hiccups gone you snappy thing.
I will hand it over right now.
Boris. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm Hiccup. Fine.
I can't believe what Boris is hiccuping.
Me too, Caillou.